Alright, so there's my Devuan 5 again. So there's I don't know if he's a subscriber, at Libre in it. So he said I could try this, and it might help me to get Brave installed here on Devuan 5. By the way, that some things don't install on Devuan, I don't see that as a problem. You know, yeah, I grew up. I actually grew up. Because, yeah, it's not that everything I install right now is everything I would really need as a daily driver. Like, for example, for gaming, I use, what's it called, Nobora. And I will fire that up one day too and just show you a little bit. Because it's also a very nice thing. Oh, look at that. I just screwed everything up here. Okay. Working. Yeah, that's what I always tell my boss. While I sit in the corner. Oh, dear me. Then we try this one. So I'll try this one. Okay, added this. Yeah, I didn't run an update yet. I mean, this could have been also an issue, right? Because I didn't want to update. Conflict, value set for option signed by regarding source, blah, blah, blah. Stable user release, value, release, release of source could not be read. Okay. Well, we can try anyway. Let's see. See here, conflict. Set options by regarding source, brief browser offset release. Oh, dang it, I didn't have to close it. Because it could be because I tried before. Okay, I clicked it away again, didn't I? Oh, it doesn't let me do it anymore. This is bad. Oh, how do I get in there again? How do I remove? Let's see. Even how to delete repository. Source list. Oh, see, there we go. That seems to be a good thing. Oh, that did not work. Can I find it in its own file? Okay, I have to open this up here. Yeah. I thought that was a file. No such file or directory. Let's go here. Source list, there's something, but is that source list? We just go sudo nano source Daedalus. That's all good. These are the real repositories. And they're all doing okay here. They're all from... That's what I'm saying, is the Devuan has only their repositories. There is no add-on Devuan. So. What else? Sudo oh no. To move it or manually delete the corresponding list. Okay, I mean, so I think I have to go in here. This could be a folder. Yes, it is. Oh dear me. Brave. I just rm. No, sudo. One day I'll learn spelling. I will have a course. Okay, then we just do. Oh, I did a @ sign. Aye. Brave. Oh, I can just. Yeah. And then. Let's try this first because I added the extrepo. Yeah, that one. Okay, now it works. So you see, the other Brave file, that was from my first installation. So of course that gave us a conflict. I got another one. Failed to fetch Devuan org merge this Daedalus security in release. Some Indian files failed to download. They have been ignored. Old ones used instead. All right then. So, okay. Then. Oh, I should have maybe made that big here. Well. Yeah, I should make that. That looks like that this is working. So the conflict was not from what @librinit told me. The conflict was from my first installation, which did not work from the Brave website. Let's have a look. Duran, look at that. So yes, thank you @librinit. It works. I'm very happy now. So yeah, as I said, the conflict did not happen because of what librinit told me. It happened because of my installation I used before, which did not work right. So now I just do the little things here. So appearance, or I need my home button, otherwise I feel so naked. That is. That looks all good. Well, okay, let it. Content should be alright, isn't it? Show Wayback Machine. Yeah, they're manipulating that one too. To window data collection. Yeah, no. Okay. Using search engine extensions. Got extensions. So usually what I need is my key pass, right? Add to Brave. Anything else? No? Okay, so I have to go in here. Nail it. Goodies. Yeah, I haven't fired it up. I will not open it yet. Just yet, while you guys are online here with me. But, oh yeah. Where is it? I have a magic bottom here. Okay. I don't know. Is it now running or not? Now it's running, right? I have no clue. I will see it later then. Alright. So now, usually I have to just go in here, checking status. I think I have to stop it again. Alright, here it goes again. Reload. Alright, so I just can't go in there because I don't want to show you my... Oh, I clicked it away. Holy moly. Where is it after? Now we're cooking with gas again. Alright then. Holy moly. So, okay, reconnect. Does it do it? Yeah, here. So that is then Devuan 5. Brave. Just sounds good. I mean, it's not that you really need it for anything. Alright, that is that. So now I've got Brave working. This is nice because I would use Brave for exploring the internet, and the ESR version here, that is more for my private stuff. You know, for my Nextcloud, for my servers, for everything what I've got local. And this one has to go on the outside then, just to separate it. And if I ever have to go to Google, definitely has to be a virtual machine, because I don't want any Google stuff here. And that is that. So I would say I make that a short video, just because it's a helper video, right? And yeah, I might make another quick video tonight, because it's just 21:07. So I might be able to make another, make another little video, and then we go from there. All right, so thank you so much, what's it called, Libre Init, for your help. That's really good. So I will copy this so that people can do that too in case they have troubles. So it will be in the description. All right, so if you follow his steps, they work. They're all good. Okie dokie. That is that. Then I will click the video off, and we'll see what I fire up then. Hehehe. Sure. Okay, there it is. Okay, guys, that was great. So yeah, now I've got Brave running here. Wonderful. Okay, see you all in the next video. Hopefully, bye.